Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the improving shear capacity of the concrete beam reinforced with, yeah, let me use this option, recharge, the steel reinforcement as a strips and bar, and also the carbon fiber as a truss shape in the sides of the concrete. If I let let me use this just part concrete, you can see this is the stress which is from the bending, compression, the tension. You can see these are the cracks, then plastic strain, stiffness degradation or stress. And now let me replace the other. For instance, let me replace the CFRP. You can see it is the carbon fiber damage for matrix on or compression for the fibers, stress. And now again let me check the other, and now remove this and this and just the reinforcement. Okay, by using this carbon fiber here, we can't decrease the uh, tension damage to avoid the uh, shear damage here in the concrete beams. But this is the specific type, name is carbon fiber truss shape of the fiber. We can create the force displacement diagram here to check the maximum force capacity. Here plotted, see, this is the maximum force capacity. After that we have engagement between the part, and then decreasing capacity till here the zero is reaches. The maximum is about 1.6 meganewton for this composite beam. It is something like composite beam, concrete steel reinforcement, and the carbon fiber truss shape. This truss, you can see these truss shapes here. So if you need to learn and improve this model, you can come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. Click on a title, then you will have the title, the definition of the geometry, assembly, then the load, interaction, and then the result as figures you can see here. So the cost for the CAE IMP reference for the material and a step-by-step English video is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email to tell you about the content of the tutorial and anything that you need to know. Also, we have a full package here containing more than 400 tutorial about all aspects of simulations and modeling in Abaqus. Here you can read main titles of, of the package. For instance, here we have explosion with all methods for all the materials, impact high and low for any material, welding all types, biomechanics, forming, crack, soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, thermal structure, cyclic loading, masonry, discrete element method, pull-out test, composite material, concretes, steel structure, seismic loading, electromagnetic, everything. You can find it in this package. The cost for this package, really it is a best package in the net, is 230 euros. Each file contains CAE, IMP, step-by-step English video, paper, anything. Just contact me to get more details about the full package. If you want to be a master in modeling and simulation in Abaqus, you need this package. So Don't hesitate and let me know. Thank you for your attention.